Stop buying mass-produced garden plastic. Your soul-soothing partner isn't found in a catalog. It's hidden in the funky junk you already own. Today, I'm revealing senior designer secrets to turn discarded materials into breathtaking garden art. We aren't just decorating, we are performing material alchemy to create a landscape that breathes. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Becky, and welcome back to Becky Decor. In our hurried lives and overcrowded cities, we all need an inner tranquility that only a garden can provide. If you've been looking for the ideal gardening layout, but don't want to break the bank, this masterclass is for you. We are decoding colorful and creative gardening ideas that blend sustainable artistry with whimsical design. From DIY potting benches to upcycled masterpieces, I'm showing you how to build a green paradise that reflects your unique lifestyle. Let's get creative. The soul-soothing partner, biophilic intent. We begin with biophilic intent. In 2026, we've moved past the idea that plants are just decor. They are our soul-soothing partners. The first designer secret is creating a layout that eases your need for tranquility. Don't just scatter pots. Curate them. Think about sightlines. Where does your eye rest when you sit with your morning coffee? By placing your most textural upcycled pieces at eye level, perhaps on a pedestal or a hung shelf, you create an immediate sense of grounding. This visual anchor filters out the noise of the city and helps you reclaim your focus. 2. Material alchemy. The funky junk rule. One person's trash is a Becky Decor treasure. By reimagining the potential of discarded objects, we perform material alchemy. This is the art of seeing the architectural skeleton in a rusted spring or a weathered crate. Look at this old metal coil. To most, it's scrap. To a designer, it's a geometric pedestal. The rust isn't a flaw. It's a bespoke patina that signals history and resilience. When you stop seeing an object's past and start seeing its silhouette, you unlock infinite potential. We're going to clean this up just enough to let the raw metal sing, turning junk into a museum-grade garden highlight. The potting bench blueprint. Functional artistry. In segment 3, we build the bespoke potting bench. This is your garden's command center. Most designer benches cost thousands, but by using household materials, like an old wooden pallet and a discarded sink basin, we create a piece with industrial integrity. Notice the height. We're building this for ergonomic flow. I'm adding a weathered charcoal stain to the wood to elevate the grain. It's professional grade function without the designer price tag. This bench isn't just for work. It's a workspace that makes the act of gardening feel like an artistic ritual. 4. The color revelation. Vibrant narrative. Gardens need a vibrant narrative. We are using bold, saturated colors on our upcycled items to create visual energy. This isn't just paint. It's a way to guide the eye and create a mood. Use a cobalt blue on a set of old tires or a sunrise orange on a metal gate. These are show-stopping highlights that keep the garden alive, even when the flowers aren't in bloom. Color signals that your funky junk was a conscious, artistic choice. It turns a backyard into a curated gallery of your own personality. Five. Whimsical curation. The funky junk pivot. Add a dash of whimsy. Using funky junk items to create unexpected statues adds architectural depth. Think of an old bicycle frame overflowing with lavender, or a stack of vintage teacups turned into a vertical bird feeder. It's about thinking outside the box to breathe new life into things the world forgot. Whimsy is the soul of the garden. It breaks the tension of modern life and reminds us that art should be fun, unpredictable, and entirely personal. 6. The sustainability shift, eco-artistry. We specialize in eco-artistry. Repurposing unwanted objects is more than just a way to save money. It's mindful stewardship. When we keep a rusted tool out of the landfill and turn it into a trellis, we give our garden a heart. In 2026, luxury is measured by how well we care for our planet while we curate our beauty. Your garden becomes a sanctuary not just for you, but for the environment as well. Every piece of upcycled art is a win for the earth. Seven. Spatial integrity. The small space oasis. No matter the size of your area, we master spatial integrity. Whether it's a 4x4 urban balcony or an expansive lawn, we curate layouts that capture your unique lifestyle. In small spaces, we go vertical. By hanging our upcycled art, we make a small patio feel like a breathtaking destination. It's about maximizing every square inch of air to create a sense of infinite volume. You don't need a massive yard to have a massive impact. 8. Atmospheric curation, luminous shadows. Nighttime design is about luminous tranquility. Don't let your garden die when the sun goes down. Tuck warm, soft lights into your upcycled ornaments to create shadow architecture. See how the light filters through the tines of that old rake we turned into a hook. That luminous highlight turns your green paradise into a radiant nighttime sanctuary. This is the ultimate designer secret for creating an evening space for meditation and reflection. Nine and 10. The reveal, negative space and visual echo. To make funky junk look high-end, you must master negative space. Don't clutter the soil. Give your upcycled masterpieces room to breathe so they maintain their architectural weight. And finally, the visual echo. Match the color of your potting bench to a specific flower or garden stake. This creates compositional continuity, signaling that your repurposed junk was a highly calculated, bespoke design choice. Your soulful sanctuary is now complete. Before you go and start your next Green Paradise project, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Every time you rescue a piece of junk, and turn it into art. You're helping the planet and your own soul. If you're ready to build the potting bench, or try some funky junk styling, tell me in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your garden is a testament to your infinite potential for peace. When we find treasure in the trash, we learn to find beauty in the overlooked parts of our own lives. Trust your material alchemy. Create with intent, and build a breathtaking sanctuary that reflects your inner light. I'm Becky, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.